All right, welcome back, family. I wanted to show you my seeds that came in the mail just the other day. Now, I normally get my seeds from a place called Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and the website I will post down at the bottom is called rareseeds.com. And the reason why I get my seeds from them versus I get them from, a large grocery chain, I mean, not grocery chain, but a large chain like a Walmart or anything like that, is because you have to be careful about the seeds that you get. And the reason why you have to be careful is because there's something called a Safe Seed Saver Program. And what that is if you all have not heard about Monsanto, it is a large company that has genetically modified seeds. And what they've done is that they have altered the DNA or the organism, the seeds, so that they are pest resistant. They are any type of bug resistant seeds. Now, some of you all might think, well, that's great. That way I can have seeds where I don't have to worry about, bugs messing with my seeds. But the problem is, the things you all have to think about is that whatever the seed is, it will cause the plant to grow, which will cause the vegetable or whatever it is that you're growing. And when you eat that, if it's already genetically modified, then what you eat is going to be genetically modified, and it can genetically modify you. So you want to try to get something that is pure, an heirloom seed. An heirloom seed is just a seed that has been passed on generation is the same seed. So I want to show you all what I got in the mail. I'm really excited about this. And like I said, I will post the link down below. I'm not in any type of affiliate, but they do have great seeds. They're very quick on their shipping. And I've always bought my seeds from there. So I got some lettuce, some collard greens. I want to try some cabbage. And I wanted to do some herbs this time. We eat a lot of cilantro. I got some Swiss chard, some lettuces, oregano, mint, and another type of lettuce. So this is like a Butter King. It's kind of one of those butter crunch. It's kind of like a really nice, smooth, buttery kind of lettuce. A lot of these things you will not find in the grocery store, because a lot of times at grocery stores, they will have genetically modified vegetables. And if you notice, all the tomatoes look the same, all the bananas look the same, all the lettuces look the same. And you're going to find things like, if you go to this website, you're going to find purple carrots, you're going to find red carrots. I mean, these are things that's been around for years. But anyway, so I've got a couple of different lettuces I'm going to try. I got some cabbage. And we love collard greens, and I'm going to do some Swiss chard here. And then I wanted to try, here's another one, another lettuce. So I want to try different lettuces because not all lettuce is created equal. This is called tennis ball lettuce. This is a free, now they will give you free seed. When you buy seeds, they will put in another pack of something free. You don't know what you're going to get until they send it. And this is just seems to be something that they put into mine, which is called tennis ball lettuce, which I would assume is the size of a tennis ball, that would be pretty interesting. And my cilantro, my oregano, and I bought some mint. And I also have some basil at home. But a lot of these I am going to grow indoors, and I'm going to explain and show you all what I'm going to be doing. But these are all going to be grown indoors, and I'll show you exactly how I do this. But if you ever buy lettuces or anything like that, these, the cabbages, the lettuces, those types of things are going to be mostly cold or like around early spring or late fall kind of crops if you're going to grow them outside. But I'm going to do these indoors. I will show you how I'm going to do these indoors, and I'm just super excited. Anyway, like I said, I will post a link below in the comment section where you can buy these seeds. Like I said, also not all seeds are created equal. If you all have any comments, if you all have a place that you buy your seeds from that is also a safe seed program, please let me know. But anyway, if you have any comments, please feel free to put them down. Thank you guys for joining, and we'll see you later. Thanks.